Hi there, I'm going to show in this video tutorial how to unlock LG K20, alias known as LM-X120EMW. As usual, we have here one sample. As you can see, it's network locked. In order to unlock this device, I'm going to use Furiousgold box and OT smart module. Let's start by selecting the model LG K20. We have here two operations available: unlock and email repair. Before starting, we need to enable the USB debugging on the device. Now we go to the developer options and enable the USB debugging. So now let's connect from the software. Be sure you have here the Android device. So let's press connect. Let's select remove SIM lock, press connect. On the first connection attempt, the phone is going to request us for the authorization. Press OK. Also, you need to know that this operation takes one Furious multipurpose log, which you can buy from the product section. If everything is okay, the phone gets detected and the work starts. Also, be sure that you have an active internet connection, since it's required for unlocking this model. As I can see, the phone asks us to save the security backup. We are going to save it to a folder of our choice. We also have here displayed the network unlock codes, which we can use by entering the below code combination. So since we want to do a direct unlock, I'm going to press yes, and that's all. The phone it's unlocked and should reboot. As you can see, it's not requesting anymore for any code or showing locked. We have also here Vodafone Romania, full signal, so the phone got successfully unlocked. So thanks for watching this tutorial, thanks for using our products, bye bye.